Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This is my 1946 International project. It's going to be loaded on an S10 chassis here. Got the door right there. Here's more of the CAD for you. She's a little rough, but yeah, that's pretty much what's going to go on here. Got those are out of a Durango actually. I might use them, but I might not. I got one door on at least. And yeah, it started to become a fun little project. I got seats for it. Those are out of a Durango, but maybe not gonna use them. There's the hood, the bed, and the front end.